Well, good morning. We're getting ready to leave this wonderful place, Longboat Key Club. But before I do, I thought some people don't understand how the boat works at a marina as far as the water and electric and so forth. So I thought I'd just explain it. It's very similar to a motorhome in a lot of ways. When we come to a nice marina like this, and most of them are this way, other than the really small towns in Canada that we went to, most marinas have a power pedestal at each slip. And this is a power pedestal. It has 220 volt power and 110 power, and then usually next to it or connect to it is a water outlet, a water spigot for fresh water. So when we pull up, we just hook up our power cords. We have two 30 amp 125 volt power cords and our fresh water hose, and we hook those up to the pedestals. And then we have running water as much as we want to use it. It bypasses the water tank that we have stored water in and just comes in the boat. So if we want to shower, we can just shower all we want. And the showers and gray water are all dumped overboard on a boat. It's only black water and sewage that is stored in a tank. And then when we're ready to leave, we'll just in a few minutes unhook these power cords and this hose, stow them away in here, and we'll be off. So when the power is hooked up, we have we're not using batteries, so we can do everything we need to do. It's just like we would at home. All the outlets work and the kitchen appliances and so forth. When we are underway and we don't have power hookup, we run off batteries, just like in a motorhome. All the lights work. We have a few outlets that work because we have an inverter, and but we don't have everything running, so we'd have to turn on the generator if we want to run the stove or the oven or a hair dryer, for example, that requires a lot of electricity. All right, we just departed from Longboat Key Club moorings at Longboat Key Club. What a luxury, expensive resort.
Yeah.
Pretty. You liked it?
Yeah.
But
It's really nice.
we're on our way. We're moving south a little bit. We'll see where we stop. We have no plans or reservations as usual. We'll see.
Fly by the seat of our pants.
That's what it says on my shirt back here, right? We'll see. Because that's our motto. We'll just see. Now, four of these little boats whizzing by. And they look like airboats almost, but what the heck are those little things? You see them?
I like those.
They have biminis and motors.
This is sailing vessel RDO, over. Yeah, we're the southbound sailboat in sight, and we'd like to catch your 1 o'clock opening. Very good. We'll be standing by on channel line.
Just waiting for this Siesta Drive bridge on Siesta Key. I like how they have these condos. Even the, what I would call a smaller condo has their own marina and docks and river walk area. This is Siesta Key, an island down south of Sarasota. That's the kind of passes we get here on the ICW. That's okay, they waved. Well, we anchored here at Blackburn Bay in this really swanky neighborhood. And we're just off the ICW in the shallows, so we're going to get a few wakes here till evening, but it's not too bad. Well, it's a nice night here at our anchorage. Pretty sunset. Doesn't get much prettier than that, I'll tell you.
This bird has been sitting on our railing for quite a while this morning. Just hanging.
Well, we left our anchorage. We're heading down the ICW at way close speed to Venice. We're heading towards Venice, Florida right now. Well, we arrived here at Crow's Nest Marina in Venice, Florida. Got docked on their fixed dock here. This is the ICW right here, so we're right on it, but it is a wakeless zone. And then where that sailboat's going out, right there, that is the inlet, and that's the Gulf of America right there. You can see it. So we're close to the action. See how it goes. We decided to scooter down to Venice Beach to look for some shark teeth on the beach. So we made it to Sharky's at Venice Beach. So we got the Christmas tree going.
Super crowded and busy and really cool.
And what are we going to do?
We're going to go shark teeth fishing.
Shark teeth fishing or hunting or something? Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna hunt for the shark teeth in the surf.
This is Allison hunting for shark teeth. Venice Beach is a little rough today. How's the shark tooth hunting going? You look pretty drippy.
It's a scam. There are no shark teeth here.
We found pieces of them. After going to church in Venice, we took the scooters on a ride over to a tennis court and through historic Venice. All right, what are we doing now?
We're gonna play tennis.
Are you happy about that?
Always happy about that.
All right, we found the courts here in Venice.
Lots. These are good courts too.
Lots of tennis courts, lots of pickleball courts. They were completely full earlier today. Look at this pair of birds we found nesting right here. And parrots of some sort? Downtown Venice, Florida. Historic district. Very clean, very nice. They have the old gate from the old Venice Army Air Base from 1942. We then went for a walk on the beach and saw the drum circle going on right before sunset. And we enjoyed the sunset and then headed back to the boat.